Hello students, in this video we complete the projects for the SoloLearn. So to complete the core of Python or Python core and get the certificate, here you have to complete all projects to win the online certificate and link it to your LinkedIn account. We completed all these 8 of 8 this completed and string is variables 10 by 9 by 10 and the control structure functions modules exceptions and files, and now we have more projects have to be completed. So in more types still not 10 by 11, and functional programming we need one project. So we will go through here. All these topics are completed. The dictionaries, dictionary function, tuples, list slices, all this completed. And the quiz completed. We have here the longest word, which is the name of the problem. So we have a problem here, and we have to solve this problem to finish this topic, which is more types. So let's read the problem. Given a text as input, find and output the longest word in this text. As example, sample input, this is an awesome text. So the biggest one here or the largest word is awesome. So the output should be awesome. So how to write this? We will use the recall the function or the method split. This split, it will split the text into words and return the list of words of a string, you know. So I will show you how to use this method in Python. So we'll copy it and we'll go to Google, okay? And in Google, we will uh, copy and write in Python, and then we will find it. So we need to search it in all. So string split in Python in the website DataCamp. It's a great website. So split, right, dot split. It's written as dot split. So here is my string dot split, and here is sep. Read it. Let's split the above string. This is a string. So we put it in a variable, and let's split the above string using the dot split method. Note that the dot split method starts with splitting at the left of the string. Left. It takes two arguments: separator sep and the maximum splits of the string. Uh, so we have two arguments here. As we see, this string will be split. So a maximum split is 2, but we don't need this. We don't need to be like this. So let's try to write another one. Uh, uh, so this is our string maximum split, but uh, if we don't use the maximum split, huh? There is two functions, split and the rs split. Take a separating element by which we splitting the string, and max split tells us the maximum number of substring we want. A maximum split. I will not use this. Okay, so let's go back and let's use this split. Okay, and here we will write list word. Okay, list word equals, this is a variable, it's a list, it's a list, so txt dot split. But let's go back here and let's use this one. Uh, this picture, so we have to remember we use separate, or let's work with this one, split. Okay, method. Okay, so let's print list word, which is a list, and see the output, and let's so these are the output, but the expected output should be uh, cons const consecutor, which is the biggest one. So now we got the first, or we are going to in the right way. Now we need to find the maximum word, the maximum length, or the maximum uh, word of length, and print it. So we solved half of the problem. Uh, Follow us to show you in the description. I will solve it and write all the code in the description. So find it in the description down.